When we open Microsoft PowerPoint, then it will show a blank slide and it has title and subtitle. Now I am giving title Edusoft Learnings and subtitle Welcome. If we want another slide, then we have to select the option New Slide. And here we have to select the layouts according to our requirements. Already we have title slide, so now I am selecting title and content. It means title is placed in the top and the content is placed below the title. Here I am giving title and we can give content like table, chart, graphic, picture, clip art and media clip. Now I am selecting clip art. Click on Go button and here I am selecting this clip art. Next, if we want another slide, then select New Slide option and here I am selecting two content. Here we have to give title. In this content box, I am selecting chart. Now I am not make any changes in this data. And in this content box, I am selecting picture. So here we can see title and two contents. We can see it clearly in slideshow. So we have to select View, Slideshow. Now if we press Enter key or any other key, then it will show the slides one by one and finally it shows the designing environment. If we directly click on New Slide option, then it will show title and content slide. If we want to change the layout for this picture, then we have to select the option Layout. Here I am selecting Content with Caption. Now the layout is changed for this slide and here we have to give caption and content. We can remove this slide by selecting the option Delete Slide. Now the slide is deleted. If this presentation is completed, then we have to save this presentation. Here I am giving file name as ABC and click on Save. Now if we want to place a new slide, then we have to select Office button, New, Blank and Recent. If we select blank presentation, then it will show a blank slide. And I am closing this slide. Now select New, Installed Templates. Here we have some predefined templates. For photo album, we can select these templates. Like this, we have Introducing PowerPoint, Contemporary Photo Album, Pitch Book, Quiz Show, Widescreen Presentation. For example, I am selecting this one and click on Create. Here we can see number of slides by using photo album templates. We can also change that picture. Just we have to give right click on it and select the option Change Picture. Not only in this slide, we can change pictures in any slides. Now select View, Slideshow. Next we have to click on each slide, then it will show slide one by one. Next, we have different types of themes. With the help of this option, we can create presentations. For example, I'm selecting Foundry and click on Create. Now we have only one slide. Here we can give title, subtitle, and it will show title, subtitle and background according to the theme settings. If we select another new slide, then it will have same theme. It means it will show title, subtitle and background according to the theme settings. For example, I am selecting another theme and click on Create. Now I am selecting new slide and it shows the slide based on the theme settings.